Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I am using Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. So in 2024 the option has become very easy. What you need to do, for example, this is a video that I just recorded. You can this is the video and I want to add some texts right here. So what you need to do, it is very easy. Like, you click this option, text tool, and click here, and this is a text. So you can click it here, and if you want to change the position of it, then you can just move it from here. If you face any problem, then click this select option, and then you can click it here. And if you want to increase the duration of how much time the text will display on the screen, then you can click here and you can increase this from here. So this is very easy stuff. So that's how you add text on Adobe Premiere. And if you want to delete it, just click it and hit delete. That's it. So that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel to find more and more tutorials about different softwares, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.